new hi, I'm Oshareeya Rai. So in today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you all the shades of the brand new MyGlamm Creamy Matte Mini Lipstick. And these come in a pack of 3 and I have all the shades with me. And if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing because I'll be posting beauty, fashion and lifestyle related content. So if you're into that, please do consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification. You will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get to the good part. So I'm gonna start by showing you shades from the Pretty Mess. The shades are Lovebug, Cute, XOXO. The first shade that I'm gonna try out is Lovebug. It's this creamy pinkish color. Let me just wear this real quick. It's got this lolly pink look and I really love it. Now I'm gonna try the shade XOXO. Oh my god, I love this shade. XOXO is my new favorite shade. Oh my god. This is like pinkish nude and this is the color that I like to wear and go to college or maybe somewhere casual outing and stuff, and it doesn't look too much, too less. It's just nice. Okay, moving on to the next. Okay, now I'm gonna try out Cutie. Ooh. This is very cute, but I feel it's somewhat similar to XOXO, but it has a little more of pink. It's like pinkish nude. Moving on to the next. Here I have the No Drama set. Let's try it out. And I have this color Comfort Zone. I actually have used this in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, here's a link, go check it out and let me know your thoughts. And let me just wear this real quick. This is absolutely gorgeous, my favorite one too. Now I'm gonna try Hype. Ooh, this is a nice color. This is like brown, maroonish, and it kind of gives off office vibes. Here I have the color Bliss. It's got a tinge of orange shade and it's quite cute. Here I have the third set is the Power Trip. So let's go. I'm taking out the first color, that is Attention. Oh my god, I love this color. This is like burgundy maroon and oh my god, I absolutely love it. Here I have the shade Level Up. Ooh. Oh my god, this is pretty pink and I love it. This kind of reminds me of the time when I started out on YouTube. I used to use these shades of pink and it kind of reminds me of that time. So I really like this one. It's got a personal touch. Last but not the least, we have Fighter. Oh my god, y'all, this is it for me. This is such a bold color, like wear formals and wear this bold red lipstick and just walk in there like I'm a boss, yeah. I really love this color. So here comes the difficult part, to pick one pack. Well, I absolutely loved all 3, but for me, I think it's a power trip. I loved all the colors and this color that I'm wearing is the last one and it's absolutely amazing and I really loved it. Like, look how bold it is. For me, it's a definitely power trip. Comment and let me know which one out of these three would you choose. So that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment and let me know which was your favorite shade. Until next time, be bold, be strong, be you. Keep slaying. Bye bye.